Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be just a very relaxing reset just for cleaning purposes for the rest of the week. I wanted to bring you guys just a video to give you some motivation if there's just a little bit to do in your house. This is not just like a full-on cleaning video, but it is going to be a little bit shorter than what I normally do, but I did just want to give you a little bit of motivation to get your week started. I'm going to go ahead and start here in the kitchen. Obviously, just get everything off the counters into the dishwasher and get all of the counter spaces cleaned up. I also recently had a birthday and I'm getting ready to put my beautiful flowers in the vase that Ruben got for me, but my vase is a little crusty, so I went ahead and put some warm water and dish detergent in there just to kind of let it soak and get a lot of that stuff out of there. But I'm going to go ahead and get over to this oven, get everything wiped down. Like I said, this is just going to be very relaxing and just, here for your motivation. If you just want to sit back and listen, get some motivation for later, that's fine. If you want to clean along with me, that's good too. I will pop in and out, but I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I just wanted to give you guys just some relaxing music to get some stuff done too today.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. In a bottle, and now everything's a blur. She's been looking for that good love, and I'm standing in front of her. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. Under the lights. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights.
So before anybody leaves me any comments, I'm the worst at trying to put flowers into a vase. I know it's not beautiful, but I did my very best. I also wanted to come in before you guys watch this clip. I was just trying out a little gadget that I got for my birthday. I'm super excited about it if you can't tell. So my mom and her husband Jeff bought me this I can't even think of the name of it right now. I will list it in my description box, but it's basically like the pivot. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, but you can load your camera or actually pretty much your phone into this, and you turn it on and it just tracks you everywhere that you go. And I was like, this would be, amazing for YouTube, so that I'm not like picking up my camera, moving it all around, trying to get all the different angles and move it from one way to the next and all that good stuff. But then I thought, okay, so what's going to happen when I speed up my clips? Because I normally speed up a lot of my clips, and I was like, I'm just going to make everybody dizzy. So I did want to put this footage in here just so I can get a feel for how it works and what you guys might think of it. Give me your honest opinion. I know it's probably, wonky as far as it following me from one place to another. I didn't do a whole lot of footage with this. Literally just from the time I get finished talking, it's going to be over. So I just wanted to use it for this purpose to see how it did work. I think it's going to be amazing for my Instagram reels. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you head over and click that follow button, because I think I'm a hoot. I think I'm hilarious. And I love Instagram because it allows me to just be myself and funny. But yeah, I did want to use this just for a little bit just to see how it works. But if you guys are interested in looking at it, it's super inexpensive. It's really fun to use as far as, like I said, for Instagram. But I did want to go ahead and give it just a quick little shot to see how I liked it. But right here, I'm just going to go through, get my flowers watered. Like I said, this isn't like a full-on full house cleaning, but there were a handful of things that I wanted to get done just so my week could get started right. So when I wake up on Monday morning to get ready to go to work, my house is straight and everything is done. Let me know in the comments if that is something that you like to do to get your week started as well.
Tell me, are we holding on to nothing but habits? 'Cause I'm falling and I don't know how to move, and I'm really trying. You're running out of sight and I'm fading in and out. We're only going down. For a while, and I'm losing track of time. We're only going down. Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here? My thoughts inside are all over the place, like I am drowning. All the voices are messing with my head, and I keep on stumbling. You're running out of sight, and I'm fading in and out. We're only going down. We've been here for a while, and I'm losing track of time. We're only going down. Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here? Are we only going down? 'Cause I need you by my side. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me. Yeah. All I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
So I'm not sure if you guys caught that, and I was totally just going to let it blow over, but the more I watched that clip, I was like, no, I have to tell myself. But I actually, when I was cleaning the bathroom mirror, I was using a Lysol fabric spray, and I don't know why. I had it out because I'm getting ready to use it here in just a little bit in the video in my living room, and I just had it in my hand, and it's blue and white, and it looks just like my spray away bottle, and I totally cleaned my mirror with it. And in case you're wondering if you're ever out of glass cleaner, it works. It did a really good job. So I did have to tell myself because that was funny. If you didn't see it, go back and watch that clip all over again. But another thing is, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did do a little story on trying to find the perfect bedding that I can find, because although Reuben did overturn me on the mattress that we were using. He wants this old creaky spring mattress. He likes it. I really don't. So I'm trying to find any way possible that I can try to make it to where I'm comfortable. So I ended up getting one of the loft mattress toppers from Casa Luna at Target, and I got a really good deal on it. It's so super soft and squishy, and I absolutely love it. It's not foam, and that's why I think Ruben does like it. So it's not foamy. It's not like the memory thing whatsoever. It's just it's almost like pillow filler, kind of like, and it's quilted, and you put it on top of your mattress, kind of like a mattress protector. It's so comfortable. And I found these sheets at Walmart from Better Homes and Gardens. They're amazing, super thick, super cute. I just absolutely love them. Super soft. And I also got on Amazon a duvet and duvet cover. I will list those in my description box if you want to take a look at them. Really good deal too. But I'm in love with that bed now. All I want to do is just get in the bed. So speaking of the bedroom, I had to tackle this fan. It's freaking disgusting. All the dog hair, dust, dirt, and nastiness that you just saw on it. I was like, no, I got to take it apart and clean it. And honestly, I just need to do this more. It doesn't hardly take anything at all to get this taken apart and just spray it down. That's exactly what I did. And once I put it together, Ruben came home that night, obviously turned it on. I was already in bed. And I texted him that next day, and I was like, hey, I cleaned the fan. And he's like, yeah, I can tell. He said it works so much better, like it's brand new. I was like, exactly. So if you've got fans in your house like this, clean them out. Just clean them out. They're just gross. And it's just like spreading all of that dirt and nastiness all over your room every time you turn it on. But we've got fans everywhere. Like, we love the sound of a fan. And we also just need that breeze to sleep. It just makes me feel so much better to have it. If you ever hear Rosa talk about my house and how cold it is cold, y'all. I'm going through menopause. It's hotter than hell, and I need me some breeze in here, okay? So cleaning this fan was definitely number one on my list. I just wanted to take the 10 extra minutes to get it done. So if you've got one in your house, definitely get it cleaned out.
New to me, way that you're moving so differently. Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me a time and place. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, nah. Give me a time and it's something just like this in the time and place. She's telling me that I tend to get it right, so stay with me. Yeah. Just be safe and hold on tight. Is it just me who's falling? I'm in too deep. Give me a time.
So now that we've got everything picked up, the fan is clean, I've got everything smelling good, I'm just going to go ahead and use this Lysol for what it's for, and that's to spray down the couch. But I also just wanted to give you a quick shot of Bodhi, just in case you missed him in the video today. But that's all I've got. I hope it motivated you. Thank you so much for being here. I love and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long.